Hello, everyone. Can everyone hear me well? Very good. So, hello and bonjour. I'm Atem Avdeev. I'm heading the EMEA sales at ONLYOFFICE. And today, I'm going to tell you how to work with ONLYOFFICE documents in Odoo. So both integration with Odoo and as well as the recent updates related to fillable form completion were requested by our users. So that is why if you are also an Odoo user, that might be of interest to you. So firstly, about the project, about the company. The project has more than 15 years old. We have 8 branches around the globe, in Latvia, in the UK, in the US, and in Singapore. We have 250 employees in 30 different countries. We have 15 million users. We have lots of partners and affiliates. There are more than 300 web services which are integrated with ONLYOFFICE. And we have also official connectors of our website for the integrations. Our source code is open source and it is published on GitHub. So ONLYOFFICE includes everything you need in terms of document editing. It has a text document editor, it has a spreadsheet editor, presentation editor, and now also we introduced PDF editor and fillable forms. So for Odoo integration, we have free apps which are available for free on Odoo Marketplace. The first one is to create and edit fillable form templates. The other one is for Odoo Enterprise Document Model. You can edit and collaborate without leaving Odoo platform. And we also have an app for Odoo Community. You can also attach your documents to the chat and also work with documents within Odoo Community. So let's dive into the first app. So what you can do, you can create new form templates for Odoo module. You can edit, download, and delete existing templates. You can assign access role. You can choose between user and administrator. And then everything is finished. You can print by using the function print with ONLYOFFICE. You can print the templates based on the data from various fields of Odoo. So let's take a look in detail how to do that. First, you log into your Odoo account and enable the developers mode in the settings. This mode will help you. It simplifies the process of creating fillable forms. Then you launch the ONLYOFFICE Templates app from the home dashboard, and you can create a new form template by clicking the New button. In the pop-up window, you enter a name for your new template, and then you'll need to select the required Odoo model. So to choose the model you need, you can take a look at the URL address of the Odoo section and copy from there the model value. And to finish the step, you click Next and upload. And you can upload a file from your local drive as well. Then you can edit your template using the functionality of our PDF editor. You can really customize it. You can enter text, add headers, footers, insert objects, and you can also use our various formatting tools. The field and model parameters are shown when you point your mouse cursor at the question mark next to the required Odoo field. And for that, again, you need the developer mode to be activated. You will find the desired Odoo fields in the OnlyOffice editor based on their field and model parameters. And then you add them automatically to your template. So if something is not clear here, we have a booth, and we can really show you how it works. When your template is ready, you can print it, and all the fields will be automatically filled with the Odoo data. After that, you click the Print with OnlyOffice button, and the corresponding Odoo module, you choose template to extract complete data. That might be name, contact, department, position, manager, photo, etc. Then you can save your template with all completed fields to PDF, print it, and if needed, also share it with your colleagues. All the fields will be automatically filled with the data from the corresponding Odoo module. So you will completely avoid the manual data input with us. So the second integration app is works with Odoo Enterprise. So you can create, edit, co-edit docs in the Odoo Enterprise documents. So you can take the full advantage of our editors, and that without leaving our Odoo platform. So if you have a goal, for example, to have everything in one place in Odoo, including document editing, so OnlyOffice would be a good choice for you. So for community, we have an integration app as well. So you can open chat attachments in the discussion section of Odoo community. And now let's just talk a little bit about what OnlyOffice is, what the benefits are. If you already know OnlyOffice, that would be simpler. Sometimes it's hard to explain why would you need an alternative to things like Microsoft Office, to things like Google Docs. But we do have benefits. So we do have really powerful online editors for docs, sheets, slides, forms, and now PDFs. This is something which not everyone has. We also provide maximum compatibility with Microsoft Office formats, so you can use Microsoft documents created in Microsoft in your Odoo platform, and vice versa. Also, one of the benefits is advanced security. We have GDPR compliance. We implement GWT authentications. We have flexible permissions, watermarking. You can protect your documents with password. Also, the other benefit is the seamless collaboration. We have two co-editing modes, strict one and fast one. We have comments, and also we have a chat inside the documents. And the last but not the least one is it is quite easy to integrate with OnlyOffice. We have open APIs, and that's one of the reasons why there are so much services already integrated with OnlyOffice. So we have full set of editing and formatting tools, or you can do all operations with fonts, styles, paragraph, text formatting. You can also create and customize all sorts of objects, charts, tables, text boxes. Formatting is navigation is quite good. You have footnotes, endnotes, table of contents, and bookmarks. And we have a collection of plugins, including AI plugins like ChatGPT, DeepL, different language tools. So if you take a look at our spreadsheet editor, so it will not remind you any online editor. It looks more like a really a full-featured desktop editor. We have 400 functions and formulas. We can use pivot tables, slicers, sparklines. You can remove duplicated values. We have conditional formatting. You can use visuals like charts, graphics, shapes, and images. Also, that one I think is quite important. You can use macros to automate common and repetitive tasks. So it's in Excel you have macros which are based on VBA, or our editor is based on JavaScript, but you can rewrite the macros, and it's quite simpler. We have guidelines for that on our website. We also have the presentation editor. There you have also a full set of editing and formatting tools. You can create, customize all kinds of objects. You have also ready-made transitions and animations. You have Slide Master, and you have a presenter view, and again our collection of plugins. You can create fillable forms which are based on our PDF editor, and you can work in web, in desktop, on any device, on mobile devices. You can choose from various form fields. You can use text combo, drop-down lists, checkbox, anything you would need actually for a template. Also, you can use extended field properties, tips, placeholders, and you can also assign recipient roles, so you can choose between editing and viewing. So you can view also with our solution PDFs on any device. You can do now text editing. You can work with pages. You can also have annotations, comments, and you can also save text documents as PDF files. So you have conversion from PDF to docx. So one of the benefits is that we have real-time collaboration, and you can really choose between fast and strict co-editing. So fast co-editing, many of you know by Google Docs, where you see all the changes in the document. And strict editing is more like a professional editing, maybe for larger documents. You are not interrupted, you work on your part, and you only see the changes when you finish working with the document. Other than that, we have version history, we have track changes, comments, we have document comparison, document combining also, and also different plugins to make calls, like Jitsi and Rainbow plugins. We are compatible with most popular file formats. So with, of course, starting from Microsoft formats, but also ebooks, PDF, XML. The same goes for spreadsheets. We do work with different formats as well, and presentations. Well, when at the very beginning, when the we started the project, we looked at the documents, and that was an obvious conclusion that most of the documents in the world were Microsoft, were docx formats. So we are based on OXML's format to reach the highest compatibility with Microsoft Word documents and spreadsheets with their standards, and we show really good results. So we are, other than that, we are based on the technology HTML5 canvas, so you don't really have distortions when you use different browsers. which is really good for the online environment. So the other benefit is security. You can self-host the solution. You can control the perimeter without sending your data to cloud. You have document access control. You can use password protections, digital signature, GWT protection. You can use fillable permissions, watermarks, and you can also restrict if your employees and colleagues should copy, download, and print documents. And you can also use encryption. For developers, we have a developer edition, and you can customize our editors. You have branding for developer edition. You can work with different interface theme, light, classic, dark theme. You have scaling of documents, which is quite exact, quite accurate. And you can use also our APIs for interface customization. We have integrations with different AI tools, including ChatGPT. So the things you would do with ChatGPT, you can do inside OnlyOffice. You can generate text, write code. You can analyze text, for instance, if you need keywords for large, or a summary for large text, so you can do that with OnlyOffice. We have lots of plugins to add functionality to your document editors. Each year we would have either 2 or 3 major versions, which really makes it a different project, a different product sometimes. So, for instance, years ago we didn't have a PDF editor, which we do have now. So for the next version, what we are going to do is form data collection. We'll improve RTL support for Arabic languages in our spreadsheets. We'll add collaborative editing for PDFs. We'll also improve text recognition for PDF editor. We'll also have a visual file viewer. We'll add the possibility to draw on slides in presentation mode. We'll have new diagram types and also many other features and bug fixes. You can choose, we give you a freedom in terms of deployment, so you can install the software on your own server. You can choose the data center of your choice, or you can choose our cloud version, which is hosted on AWS. For the licensing, we have license for enterprises. That would be either 1-year license or a lifetime license with 3 years of technical support. Speaking of the technical support, it is we have a very good and professional team for that, which are very quick to answer. But we also have different levels of support. You can choose between basic, plus, and premium support level. The solution is very scalable, so it starts from 50 connections, but it can be scaled to thousands of connections if needed. And yeah, you can also deploy the solution on cluster. And of course, we have regular updates with bug fixes and new features. We have 15 million users, and some of the clients, of course, are more famous than others. But that is really to confirm that there are reasons to choose OnlyOffice. So this is our business clients. Those are clients in financial sector. We have a lot of clients in government and public sector as well. So I wish that you also would become our partner and the client one day. So do not hesitate to come to our booth and ask your question. And thank you very much for your kind attention today.